Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Take around meter of the thread. All necessary materials what I will use for this tutorial you can find in description below this video. We start with 28 seed beads. Then we create a circle. We just pass through all our seed beads one more time. This is our beginning. Now we take one seed bead, we skip one and enter to the next. Again, skip one and to the next. Continue the same while you will finish our first row. Always skip one and enter to the next. Last seed bead of our second row will go in the last seed bead of our first row and to the first seed bead of our second row. It will be our step up. Our third row will be very simple, as we just need to enter with one seed bead to the next, what is marked, and we just continue to fill in the gaps with seed beads. And last seed bead of this row as well as a step up. Our 3 rows are ready, and our row number 4 will be with different color. However, you can use the same if you want. And as well, we skip one and we enter to the next one. As well, now it is easier, as we see very well where our needle should go. And step up here as well, last bead of previous row and the first bead of our last row. At this stage we can insert our crystal inside this way, and we continue as well with the same seed beads. and step up here. And now we will use our smaller seed beads, which are size 13, all the same as we did previously. And step up here as well. Our front side is ready. Now we pass with our thread to our back side, and we will cover this part. Come out from the seed bead before the gap. Take 5 seed beads, skip 1 gap, 1 seed bead, 1 gap, and then enter to the seed bead. Then pass through 2 seed beads and come out as well before the small gap. Again 5 seed beads, skip 1 and enter to the next one. Again pass with the thread in next 2 seed beads, again 5, and your last stitch will go inside our first bead. Now go up to the third seed bead, which is in the middle here, in the middle of our 5, and just go through all seed beads. It's like a top of our 5 seed beads. Just go around them with empty needle through all of top seed beads. As you can see, we covered our back side. I will pass through the same seed beads one more time to make them more secure. Then I will pass with my needle to my tail here. My 2 threads are next to each other. We will secure our thread and cut it. Take quite long thread. I will enter into any seed bead with it. I will leave a tail. I will pass with the thread around my seed beads. Then I will make a knot from my 2 threads. I will start to work on my flower. First of all, I will add seed beads. It will contain 4 seed beads. I came out from this seed bead here. Here is a hole before my next seed bead, and I enter to the next seed bead with 4 small seed beads. Here will be attached my cubic zirconia element. Then I start with 5 seed beads at a time, and I enter to the next seed bead. Again 5. Into the next. You like fill in the gaps with 5 seed beads. Continue the same till you finish our row with 5 seed beads. Our last 5 seed beads will go into the first seed bead from where we started. This way. Now we will enter a bit further up to our crystal, to our main crystal, and we will do our second row from here, which will be made of crystals and seed beads. I go out from the pearl color seed beads, and I will use this kind of bicon crystals with gold seed bead on the top. For it, take a bicon crystal and gold seed bead. Enter only in the bicon crystal and to the next seed bead in pearl color. Again, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead. Into the crystal and to the next pearl color seed bead. One crystal seed bead. Into the crystal and to the next pearl color seed bead. Continue the same till the end. I have finished my crystal row. Our flower is ready. Now I will secure my thread and cut it. Our flower is ready now. And now we need to create it as a ring. For it we will need to open the ring here on our element. Then find where are our 4 seed beads. You need to attach it right in the middle of 4 seed beads. Then gently close it. And attach our element to the earring hoop, as well open. And close. Our earring is ready, and absolutely the same way you create your second earring. I am very happy with the result. You can create, for example, one more flower like this to complement our earrings with a pendant. By creating few of these kind of flowers, you can create beautiful bracelet and make it as a beautiful and rich set. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye!